Good morning. On my last video, it was kind of my first one for YouTube officially, like living in the van or my truck. I didn't do a proper introduction. I kind of did a half-ass introduction at the end of the video, but wanted to start this video off a little more official. My name is Matt. I go by Tress in the motorcycle world. I'm in a motorcycle club, the Ghost Riders Extreme MC. I live in as of about a little over a month ago, I started living in my 2013 Ram, 4-wheel drive Hemi. I got a camper on the back and got a bed, big drawer, dresser, a couple bottles to pee in, and that's about all I need to survive. I got my camera gear. I'm a photographer also. I love photography and riding motorcycles. That's my main passions in life. So I wanted to do a little formal video, a little bit about what my goals are, what this journey I hope brings me. So what I plan on doing is I plan on staying in my truck, but for 2 years. I want to save enough money to buy property. I'm really loving it, so I might extend it 2 years. I'm just gonna see where it goes, but that's the plan. Save up enough money to buy some property outside of California. I currently live in San Diego, but hopefully in about 2 years I want to buy some property, and then over the next 8 years after that, or 5 or 6, whatever it is, build a tiny house on the property, kind of a location based, but not in California. California is way too expensive. For the same price that I can get 5 acres, I get 3/4 of an acre here in California. So I guess the next step is I'll give you a little tour of my truck. Here is what I got living. So I have my drawer, which contains my cooking supplies over here, and I got food, napkins, a lot of canned goods. It goes way back, and you can see just food, one MRE, lots of cans, and let's see if I can hop over. That didn't go so smooth. Here's what I got. Okay, so I got my bed. I have a tablet for my TV. I have a small dresser, camera bag, and that's about it. I did, the first couple nights I stayed in it, I had open windows, and I woke up in Coronado. There was a lot of joggers and people walking around outside. I got a down blanket, and I have 2 of these fleece blankets, and I don't get cold at all. So today I thought I'd bring you to one of my favorite spots in San Diego. It's Cabrillo National Park Monument. Got a lighthouse nearby. It's got the National Cemetery, and it's got some tide pools on the other side. I figure I'd just bring it up here, show you a couple of them maybe for a little bit, and see some of the beauties of San Diego. You get a pretty nice views of downtown, Point Loma, and of course the ocean. Here's a little bit of the Navy base. You can see a little bit of downtown right there, just the edge. So let's go up, let's see what we got, see what we can find. So I was just reading on one of the information boards. I did not know that gray whales can travel thousands of miles without taking a bite to eat. They spend all their summers diving to the floor, eating 70 tons of food. Wow. And it says they go to Baja Big Sur to mate and give birth. Interesting fact. Fun fact Monday. Don't forget it. So ever since I found this spot, I've been trying to get down to that lighthouse. From what I read, is it's military operated now. So I'm not sure that you can, but I've never been to this part up top. And I'm seeing road, and I'm seeing public parking for the tide pools. I know the tide pools are down there. I've been down to that spot once before. So I'm thinking I might try to figure out if there's a way I can get to that lighthouse. I've been wanting to photograph it for like 5 years, so I'm gonna see what I can do. Let's see if I can take you along for the trip and see if we can find out how to get there. So I couldn't get to the lighthouse. I did stop and talk to a couple workers, state park or national park workers, and they did mention the only way to photograph that place without seeing the palm trees cutting off the lighthouse is to either go by boat and photograph it from the water up, or you can, there's a little parking spot, but you got a fence in the way, so I kind of took that photo out of the way. So I'm thinking of chartering a boat or knowing somebody with some kind of fishing boat. It doesn't have to be big, just some kind of a boat to get out there and get that picture of the lighthouse at sunset. But I did make it to one of my other favorite spots, is Cabrillo National Cemetery. It here, you can probably see it in the back, but it's kind of well, not kind of, it is breathtaking to see all the headstones of people. Let me see if I can tap to make that. There we go. Lots and lots, and this, it goes over on the other side of the hill, and there's a road, and it's on the other side of there also. So just headstones. Thousands of soldiers gave their life for the country. They have a beautiful view. Good morning, how are you? Good. First off, I want to say thank you for everybody who made it this far in the video, for taking the time out of their day to watch my video. I plan on doing a new video once a week on my travels, taking you guys along with me, see where we can find in San Diego and farther than San Diego, maybe California, farther than California, the United States is the destination. So I hope you guys enjoy and follow along. Hit the like, comment, let me know what you think. Till next week's video, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Enjoy your week. Peace.